Screen share that to you? No. Okay. Okay. So morning somebody was asking section 3 first question, they don't have doubt. Section 3 second question, that too from first part to second part. That is a little bit tricky. If somebody could not get an idea, don't worry. Okay. Section 3 second question from first date to second date. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B whole square. We are supposed to prove 2BC minus A square, 2AC minus B square, and 2AB minus C square. C square, B square.
Sir,
C square. Yes, please.
sir, you said tomorrow is exam, no, sir.
Yeah, correct.
You will keep it or not, sir?
Tomorrow I'll keep it. I'll not take work session. 3 to 4 you'll attend your chemistry work session tomorrow, and after that 4 to 5 you'll write exam.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The reason I'm keeping exam is anyway tomorrow morning I'll give you some idea about numerical questions and all that. If you write, some people wrote after bridge course, I think an exam, you have some idea about it, but still.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we should explain rank of a matrix, sir.
No. Rank of matrix I'll explain. There is a next topic. Okay. We have some 3 more IP exercises are there, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Rank is exercise 3F. Okay. So tomorrow also up to exercise 3, whatever I kept for exam syllabus, same portion tomorrow. 20 single answer questions, 10 numerical questions, 1 hour, because we have only one subject tomorrow. Okay. So that will help you to get an idea how to use the Class Plus app and write a test, especially for those who have not attended the bridge course. Okay. And some general instructions about exam and all I'll try to give tomorrow about numerical questions. Okay, coming to this, start with LHS. You can write this as ABC, BCA, CAB. Again, ABC, BCA, CAB. Okay. What I will do, I am not planning to change the first determinant as it is BCA, CAB. The second determinant, what I will do, I will interchange these 2 rows. Then I'll get a minus. I'll give that minus to this first row. Minus A, minus B, minus C, CAB, BCA. How did we get that? We interchanged R2 and R3. Interchanged R2 and R3 and multiplied R1 with a minus. Multiplied R1 with minus or minus 1. You can write anything. Not a problem. Okay. So when I interchange 2 rows, I'll get a minus outside and that minus is multiplied to first row. This date and this date are equal only. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one may say, why are you doing this? To get this answer. That's all. You multiply, you will see. How will you multiply 2 determinants? First row into first column. This into this is minus A square plus CB plus CB, which is 2BC minus A square. First row into second column, minus AB plus AB will cancel. I'll get C square. First row into third column, minus AC plus CA will cancel. B into B will be B square. Second row into first row. Second row into first column, minus BA plus AB cancel. I'll get C square. Minus B square plus AC plus AC. 2AC minus B square. This into this, minus BC plus BC plus A square. So it is A. Third row into first, minus AC plus AC will cancel. I'll get B square. Minus BC plus BC cancel. I'll get A square. And 2AB minus B square. Okay. From here, if you want to prove the third one, is a little difficult. From here, you have to get this, and this equal to third one is easy. Okay. One may say, how will you get an idea that, if you do like this, it will come. For those that made this question, it is very easy. They just thought, I'll interchange these 2, I'll put a minus and multiply. They just made up the question. So when you look at this question, somehow to get an idea that they made like this. Okay. So if you get idea on your own, it's okay. Otherwise, I told you now. So with this idea, you can do it. So some questions there is not much answer. You either get idea on your own or somebody else will give you idea.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, means like due to network problem, I joined little late, sir. Once can you explain this, sir?
I started with this one. I wrote it about this one. Here I interchange two rows. Interchange
Okay,
R2
sir.
and R3. I'll get a
Okay.
minus. That minus I multiply to first row.
Okay, sir.
Now we multiply these to determine det A into det B equals det AB. Based on that, directly we'll get this one.
Sir, please don't drop, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, those who completed this third question on the screen. Any doubt?
No, sir.
111 is there, you can do by the standard process, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody doubt about fourth question?
No, sir.
Sir, third question I have doubts, sir, once else.
You tell, instead of myself telling, you can tell. You tell me in third column 111 is there. You tell me what steps I can do. Ganesh?
Sir,
111 is the third column. Whenever any question you see one row is once or one column is once, what is the standard procedure?
means we can to get zeros, R1 minus like that, R1 minus R2 or
Yes.
R2 minus R1.
Yeah. Do R1 as R1 minus R2. Not only you'll get 0 at the end, you'll get A minus 1 common in that.
Okay,
Do
sir.
R2 as R2 minus R3. You'll become 0 and you'll get another A minus 1 common there. You will already get A minus 1 whole square and 2 zeros.
Yes, sir.
Rest of it you expand it, you will get the answer.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
If anybody wants me to write, I'll write this one, but I thought it is the standard question.
No need, sir. No need.
Okay. Okay.
Sir?
Okay. Yes, please.
Sir, it's like they gave another third equation also, third thing also, no, sir, for this second question.
Yeah. That what we'll do, you can see on the screen.
Yes, sir.
From here, I will not try to prove. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From the second one, I proved how to get first one. First one equal to third one.
Okay, sir. So we should
First
prove. Okay, sir.
First one equal to third one is very easy. Don't need to do anything.
Yes,
Just
sir.
expand. That's all. Just expand, you'll directly get that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Fourth question, I think we came across already. Okay. Just one minute. Okay. Fifth question I need to discuss.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I don't have an option to undo. Control Z, I can do it. I mean joke only. Okay, what is this fifth question? Minus 2a, a plus b, and c plus c. A plus b minus 2b and b plus c. C plus a, c plus b minus 2c. Equal to 4 times a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Suresh Patil, keep on noise is coming. You can check that one. You stay in this Navik waters in Naushanabar.
sir, not Nausenabad, sir.
Ah.
Sir, it is Naval Park. Sir, just
Naval Park. Yes, that only.
yes, sir.
I came there many times. I came to that place. Today I saw your status. I recognized the place. Earlier, I used to have a lot of students from Navy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I used to work in another place where Navy has a bus which can drop students to city and all for various purposes, right?
Sir, I don't know about that, sir.
Okay. So one whole Navy bus used to come right in front of the college, and a batch of students used to get down. I came for some quite a few times. There is a small canteen also within this Naval Park, right?
Yes, sir.
Outside there is a big canteen, and inside there is a small canteen.
Yes, sir. The another one is INCS.
Yeah, correct. I came there. Yeah. In fact, this a day at sea. You know that?
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
There is
sir.
an event called
Yes,
Day
sir.
at Sea.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
don't
For
know?
NCC candidates is there, sir.
No, not SSC candidates I know, but what I'm saying is those are working in Navy. I think what is this? Navy Day will be there, right? During that month, one particular day,
December.
they can take their family on a ship, Navy ship, from morning to evening.
Yes, sir. The event, sir.
Yeah. No. So I used to have a lot of Navy students earlier. I asked them for passes, okay? And everybody gave me 2-3 passes. So I got some 30-40 passes once. I took my whole relative circle and all, 40 people to the Day at Sea.
Yes.
Anyway, it's okay. Let us come back to this. Okay, this one, listen. What I am telling is an IP solution. It is allowed to write in IP test, okay, IP board exam itself. This particular question only we do this. Other questions we use that one, but I said don't write for board exam. What is that? Instead of trying to adjust this way, that way, and getting A plus B common somewhere, B plus C common somewhere, it may be possible. I don't know. I never spent too much time on this, but I will do one thing. Let A equal to minus B. Wherever A is there, I'll put minus B. Let us see what will happen to the determinant. Okay, that is equal to wherever A is there, just put minus B. This will become 2B. This will become 0. This will become 0. This will become C minus B. This is minus 2B. This is B plus C. This is C minus B. This is C plus B. This is minus 2. Okay. Wherever A, I kept, I replaced A with minus B. I want to prove this Z is equal to 0 easily. Anybody want to give me an idea how to prove this is 0 easily? For this, if I add this,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Column 3,
Column
column 3
3.
plus column 2.
what, column 3?
Column 3, if
No.
we subtract it from column 2,
Sir,
like
no,
C2
sir.
minus C3, we'll get B minus C.
Sir,
Yes,
we
let us,
Sir,
Yes, there
we
is.
should write column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3.
you want to add all the 3 columns. Then you will get C plus B, C minus B, and
There 0 will come.
here 0 will come. Okay. So
Sir, I am telling column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. We will get 0 this side, sir.
but this 0 will be gone now.
Oh, okay.
So better is you write column 3 as column 3 plus column 1 plus column 2. You'll get one more 0 here. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Anything else we can do 0 easily? Anybody else?
sir,
Yes, please.
row 1 has row 1 plus row 3 and row 2 has row 2 plus row 3, sir.
Row 1 as row 1 plus
Row 3.
row 3. I'll get C plus B, C plus B, minus C, minus B. Okay. And then add columns, sir.
No, sir. R1 has R1 plus R3 and R2 has R2 plus R3, sir.
Okay. Then these 0 will become non-zero. Is it okay?
We'll get identical rows, sir.
Oh, we'll get identical rows. So you'll get everywhere C plus B common, C minus B common, 1, 1, 1, like that will come. Yes.
1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, sir.
Yes, correct.
Sir, same thing I tried it for columns, sir. I told same way.
Okay. So what you told same way for columns. Okay. So you are saying if you add columns also, two columns will come identical. Yeah. After all, this is a symmetric matrix, right? It is symmetric matrix, right? These two are same. These two are same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So somebody told rows, somebody told columns will be same. Okay. Anything else I can do to quickly tell it is 0? That is 0. I want to prove it.
We can prove that the elements are in AP, sir.
You can do no, they are not in AP.
No, sir. Okay.
No, they are not. Okay, we will do it like that. Rows or columns is okay. If I write R1 as R1 plus R3, or I can write R3 as R3 plus R1. In the third row, we are adding to first row, we are adding to second row. And R2 as R2 plus R3. Then I will get C plus B, and minus of C plus B. And here C minus B, minus of C minus B. C minus B simple. Okay, if you take C plus B common here, 1, 1 minus 1, C minus B common, 1, 1 minus 1, so 0. Or one row is a multiple of another row. Okay. So C plus B into C minus B into 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, C minus B, C plus B minus 2. Two rows are equal, so you'll get 0. Yes. Anybody else want to give any other idea how to prove this is 0?
Sir, to write them as product of two determinants is not possible, no, sir?
I think there are not too many elements. We should look like
Yes.
3, 3, 3, 3. There should be some pattern, then only we can generally do that.
Okay.
Okay, so when I took A equal to minus B, that equal to 0. Similarly, I don't have to write all the 3 times, but I can write like this. Similarly, if B, anyway, whenever A equal to minus B, if you put it, it becomes 0, means A plus B is a factor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we should write, so A plus B is a factor of given determinant. Similarly, B plus C is also a factor of given determinant. And similarly, C plus A is a factor of given determinant. Okay, now we got 3 factors and this is cubic. After that is all over. So let that is equal to 4, sorry, not 4, some K into A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. How to find that K? Anybody want to give an idea?
So we substitute A as 0, B as 1 and C as 2.
Yeah, we can take any number. Okay, whichever is more convenient to you, you can take it, but no sum should be 0. So let us take A0, B1 and C2. Then what will happen to LHS? 0, A plus B is 1 and A plus C is 2. This is A plus B1 minus 2B minus 2. B plus C is 3. This is symmetric. So 2 here, 3 here, and minus 2C is minus 4 is equal to K into 1 into 3 into 2. Okay, this is 6. So 24 will come if you find it. It will come 6K, implies K equal to 4. Put that 4 back, hence 2. Okay, so some people may find section 3 1 or 2 questions difficult. One is this 5th one. One is that second one proving
Yes,
the
sir.
first part equal to second part. Okay. All of you, please turn on your videos and Hemant, can you mute yourself?
Yes.
Lot of children videos are still off. Bharat Kumar, can you please respond? New joining.
Sir, yes, sir.
You may not be able to follow this class, okay?
I can't not understand anything.
Don't worry, we are in between a topic, okay? Later on, after this class is over, I'll discuss with you. In WhatsApp, I'll send you some messages. I have your number with me, okay?
What is the thank you?
Okay. If you want to leave this class also, no problem at all, because what is the point in just staying in the class, okay?
What is it? Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, you said that for proving this question, we can use this method in board exam. Why
Yes,
it is
this-
allowed only to this problem, sir, but
It
not
is
other
not,
problem?
you know, what happens is, it is not that other methods are wrong. Method is correct. Just that people expect to write in a particular way. So based on the teachers who went for correction and all, the report that I got, they said, for example, this question, if they give and you have to prove a minus b equal to b minus into equal to c minus a, they want you to subtract columns, take common and all that. They want you to be more understand that method than this. But this one, if you want to do that way, it will become more lengthy. So for this one, they said better to do this. Okay, it is just a convention that the teachers decided. Otherwise, this is also okay, that is also okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, anybody still doubts? Yes, please.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
seventh one is there, no, sir. We can take like A is equals to. Let
I'll
A
come there.
equals-
I'll come there. This question, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Everybody copied? Whoever wanted to copy the solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Sixth question, I think is not even a long answer question, just hardly 2 steps. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Seventh question, you can split into two determinants and prove one determinant equal to another determinant. Or you can write R1 as R1 minus R2, R2 as R2 minus R3. You may get something common, but after the two rows will become equal, it is 0. Either way you can do it. Is it okay,
B
seven?
minuses and C minuses we can take commons.
Yeah. No, directly you cannot take anything common, right?
Not directly, sir. After
Yeah, yeah. You can,
changing
yeah, you can
rows,
split
sir.
into, yeah, you can split into two determinants and prove how the two debts are equal by, you know, multiplying the ABC, take ABC common and all that. That is one option. Another option is simply without all that, subtract R1 as R1 minus R2, R2 as R2 minus R3, you'll get A minus B common, B minus C common. After that, the fresh first row and fresh second row will be equal. Two rows are identical, so that is 0. That is easy to write.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Eighth one, anybody doubt?
No, sir, we've done it from the main.
This is the same code we done in the class. It came in mains material in the morning also, one of given, right?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Completed.
So XI 3D doubts fully clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I didn't understand after we did the determinant is 0 in the fifth sum.
Oh, okay. Okay. Like you see, in previous some questions were done. When you kept A equal to B, when that came 0, I said A minus B is a factor, right? Similarly,
Yes.
when you kept B equal to C, if it is 0, B minus is a factor. Like that, when I kept A equal to minus B, the debt became 0. So A plus B is a factor of given debt. Okay. I can write the whole thing once again. That is, let B equal to minus C, and this will become 0, this will become 0. How rest of the debt is 0, I can prove it. And then I will say B plus C is a factor. Instead of writing all that, I'm just writing similarly. b plus c is a factor of given determinant. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, c plus a is a factor of the given determinant. Okay. Now, this is a third degree expression, this into this, and already got three factors, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. So, the that can be written as some number, real number into a plus b into b plus c into c plus c. That real number may be 1 or minus 1 or 2 or 4, I don't even, right? Okay, for that, to find that real number, we assume some ABC values. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
This concept is not the one I'm first time using. I used already in enough questions, right? Okay. So now we are doing mains material, some questions. We'll go back there. Okay. Where is mains material? Just a minute. Okay, in the regular class note, what is the last mains material odd number that I discussed? Is it
117, sir. 117.
Okay, okay. Okay, 117 we completed, right? No, I have to discuss. Some of you completed, but I have not done on the board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're not able to see the screen fully.
It's loading, I think, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. You can see now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So those who completed 117 can try 119. Otherwise, I'm discussing 117. Okay, in your class notes, you can put today's date. I think today we did not teach anything in the class notes. 23/6/21. Okay, they gave A and A inverse. So I don't have to spend a lot of time finding inverse. Just I'll try to take A into A inverse equal to identity matrix, get two equations containing X and Y, and just do it. A into A inverse is identity matrix 117. 0, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, X1. 1/2 minus of and 1/2 minus 4, 3, 5. 5/2 minus 3/2 and 1/2. Okay. This is A they gave, this is A inverse they gave, and they wanted X and Y. I want to equate to identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. When I multiply these two, I don't have to write everything and waste my time. For example, first row into first column, it will come 1. If it doesn't come 1, question is wrong. That is, I don't have to worry about it. So I don't have to worry about whether this will come 1 or not. So there is no point in finding this. This into this also, it has to come 0. Otherwise, the question is wrong. This into this, where X and Y are involved, I only have to write those terms. So I take first row into third one. I'll be getting 0 plus y plus 1. That is more useful for me. I'll get y value. Second row into first, second row into second is not required. Second row into third will give me again y value only. So I'll write it, but not that I need it. I don't need it because this is 1 by 2 plus 2y plus 3 by 2. That is coming 2 plus 2y. You need only this or only this. You don't need both. Next, this into this, this into this, this into this. Out of the three, anything you can write, you can get x value. This and this are sufficient. So 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 4 and minus 4x. So I don't not write all these things. Okay. So this are useful, and these four will not give us any useful result because you will obviously get 1 0 0 1. So I'm only finding this and this. So y plus 1 equal to 0, 4 minus 4x equal to 0. Simply y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. I don't have to find det A. A inverse is 1 by det A into adjoint A and then equate it to A inverse. Not necessary.
Sir, once can you tell the equation? How did you frame the equation for the x?
Oh, this here 4 minus 4x is there, na? Third row into first column is this element, right?
Yes, sir.
3 into 1 by 2, x into minus 4 plus 5 by 2. That is 4 minus 4x. If you want, I will write 3 by 2 minus 4x plus 5 by 2. That is the element here. That is this 4 minus 4x. Srilata, you tried exercise 3D, all the questions, right?
No, sir.
Up to where you tried?
Sir, I'm doing section 2.
Okay, all right. But you completed even numbers up to 96?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of invertible, sir?
If det A is not equal to 0, then only if something has inverse, it is invertible. If it doesn't have inverse, it is not invertible. Okay. So if det A is 0, the function is not invertible because it doesn't have inverse. If det A not equal to 0, it is invertible. Okay, I'm erasing this 117. Okay, 119. They just gave B is equal to minus A inverse B.
Sir, should we directly substitute B value, sir, as minus A inverse into B into A?
You can do it. Otherwise, you have to look at all the options also in what way they are asking you to express. If you substitute that in the answer, A inverse will come, but there is no A inverse in the options, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, it is a very small thing. What it is important here is, first point is, we all know A plus B whole square formula is not A square plus 2AB plus B square in matrices, right?
Yes, sir. A square plus B square plus AB plus B, yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to write a plus b into a plus b. Expand, you will get a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Because ab is not necessarily equal to ba, I cannot add these two and write 2ab. Then what it is, actually ab plus ba is null matrix. I'm going to prove here. Multiply with a on both sides from left. Multiply with a on both sides from left. You will get ab is equal to, if you multiply with a, you will get a inverse ba. A into A inverse is identity matrix. Identity matrix, anything into that, you will get PA. When you bring this side, you will get AB plus BA is null matrix. Okay. So the use of this is just to tell that AB and BA cancels or their sum is null matrix. So you will get A square plus null matrix plus B square, which is A square plus B square. So and that option is there. Anybody want to give an idea for 121? How to do it?
Sir, can we substitute identity matrix as A into A inverse?
Yeah, you can substitute, no problem.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, substituting I as A into A inverse is not necessary, I think, because identity matrix is already given now, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
can we take minus 5 into identity matrix that side, sir? That side
Yes,
of
we
the
can.
table.
Yeah, we can take it.
Then can it will become A square minus 4A is equals to 5y? So, okay, so then if you solve, we'll get.
Yeah. So I'm not saying whether necessary or not. He's asking, is it okay to write? I said okay.
Okay.
Okay, 119. I want to erase. So can I have enough place here to write?
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, is the answer 1 by 5 into A minus 4i?
Yes, correct. So what we want me to do it?
Sir, we can write A square minus 4a is equal to 5i. Then we will take A common from A square minus 4a.
Yes, correct.
Then we know that A into A inverse is identity matrix, and here we are getting some equation like that. So then we can bring 5 this side and divide it from A minus 4i.
Yes.
So 1
Yes.
by 5 into A minus 4i is A inverse.
Yeah, A into something, if it gives identity matrix, then whatever it is inverse, right? What is the after all inverse? A into something, some matrix which can give you identity matrix is inverse. So
Yes.
you simply just 5i take that side, take A common here, divide with 5 here, A into
Sir,
something
it
is
is
identity matrix.
121, sir.
Yeah, this is 120. Thank you. So that is A inverse is equal to 1 by 5 into A minus 4i. So let them give any equation like this. You just take I term that side and rest of the terms take A common. A into whatever you get which is equal to I is the A inverse straight away. Another option is there. multiply the A inverse on both sides. Multiply with A inverse on both sides. Then I have to write A inverse. This A square, I want to write A into A. This 4, I want to write 4 A inverse A. I have to tell from left or right. Anything is okay here. From left. And another A inverse, if I multiply, I'll get 5 A inverse. Okay. A inverse into A is identity matrix. So we'll get identity matrix into A. This is also identity matrix. 5 A inverse is null matrix. Identity matrix into anything will be that matrix. So I will get A here, minus 4I here, this that side, 5 A inverse. Then bring this 5 down, you'll get the same step. You can do like this or like this. Both are more or less same. There's not much of a difference. I prefer first method. I'll tell you why. But both methods are okay. It's a very simple question, right? Nothing complicated. Some people who don't respond, they should respond once in a while. I'm asking simple things. Have you understood or not? Have you copied or not? At least for those things you can respond. Please turn on your videos. Your video is off. Jyotirmay, is 121 clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jyotirmay, you are from which school?
St. Joseph, sir.
St. Joseph. Is that Convent Junction or something, that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know Yochana?
Yochana Preeti, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Your senior.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your father doing?
SBC, sir.
SBC, State Bank.
No, sir.
Shipbuilding Corporation.
Shipbuilding Center.
Yeah, Shipbuilding Center. Yes, I know that. Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Sister, sir.
What she is doing?
Intermediate second year, sir.
Where?
Ascent, sir.
What is her name?
Raghavi, sir.
What is it? Can you repeat, please?
Raghavi, sir.
Raghavi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So she is in that main campus, sir, in the advanced section.
Shankarmatam campus, sir.
She's in Shankarmatam. Oh, right now she is finishing second year.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. You know which room she was in? She is in?
Room 9, sir. Advanced batch.
Okay. I never taught that room, so. She might have seen me, but I never taught her. Does she know my name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your father from the beginning worked in SBC or worked in Navy and later on came to SBC, anything like that?
From first SBC only, sir.
From the beginning SBC, okay. It is a government organization, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they manufacture ships there?
What, sir?
Do they manufacture ships?
Don't know, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, what's an orthogonal matrix, sir?
Yeah, I'll discuss. There are some different types of matrices. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
means like in 123rd question they asked about it, sir. Orthogonal matrix.
Yeah, we'll discuss it. See, in 121, forget about this. Later on, I can give a cubic equation. Don't write, just listen to this, what I'm saying. Let us say a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 6i is equal to null matrix. Okay. Based on that, A inverse is a quadratic expression kind of thing in terms of A. Anybody want to tell me quickly what is that?
Sir, here we can see like
Sir, 1/6 into minus 5 a square
minus 5 plus, yes, sir.
1/6 into
1/6 into
A plus minus 5 identity matrix plus 7 identity matrix. Or
a
identity
square. Sir, a square minus 5a plus 7 identity matrix.
Yes, correct. You can simply take A common, then this one that side divide with 6 or multiply with A inverse also. This will become A square, this will become A, this will become I, and that will become A inverse divided with 6, right? So whenever they give you a quadratic or a cubic or a fourth degree polynomial that A is satisfying, okay, you can easily find A inverse as a linear expression or a quadratic expression or cubic expression in terms of A. Is that okay?
If the degree of that original expression is n, then the answer
Be n minus 1.
will be n minus degree.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, you are right. Okay, now why I prefer first method versus second method? I just want to give a small comment here. Here, when you are multiplying A inverse, what is the guarantee that A inverse exists? That A may be 0. How can you even talk about A inverse? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In the first method, I can prove that A will not be 0. You know why? I took A common, send this one that side. Up to this step, I am fine. Okay, right? If I call this as B, whenever A into B is identity matrix, or even 7 times identity matrix, doesn't matter. I can tell for sure that A not equal to 0, that B not equal to 0. Why?
Yes,
apply data on both sides. You'll get data of AB equal to data of identity matrix. That is that A into that B is equal to 1. Okay. So if product of two real numbers is 1, can any one of them be 0?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So because none of them is 0, inverse will exist. So I can multiply the inverse. Okay. So second method is nice, but we are not yet proved that that A not equal to 0. In that way,
Sir, so if we want to go with second method, we have to first prove that that is not equal to 0.
yes, you are right. So that's why I prefer first method versus second method, even though ultimately they are same in essence.
Sir, an invertible matrix is a matrix which has an inverse, no, sir? That's all, no, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever that is not equal to 0,
Okay.
it will have inverse. That matrix is called invertible matrix.
Okay.
Okay. So here 1 or 2 words about orthogonal matrix and all came. So maybe I will talk about it. This is the mains material fully. Yes, I can just go for the beginning. Yep. Just a minute. Okay, before discussing 123 and all, some types of matrices are there. I'm not going to write anything on the board. I'll just show on the screen and explain. You also don't have to write it. Just 1 minute to wait. They want again before. Okay. Yeah. Okay, listen. Earlier we discussed some types of matrices called scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, square matrix, and unit matrix, all that. Now we are going to discuss some more types of matrices. Okay. You can see on the, all of you are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are some matrices, they are called idempotent matrices. When it is called idempotent, when A square equal to A. If you square a matrix, if you get the original matrix back, it is called idempotent. It need not be identity matrix. What is the square of identity matrix?
Identity matrix.
Identity. So identity matrix is also idempotent, but there are a lot of other matrices which are also idempotent. For example, if I write 1, 0, 0, 0, will the square of this will come same matrix?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is also idempotent. We can give a lot of examples. Okay. If a square is a, will a cube is also will be a?
Yes, sir.
A power 4 is also a. So instead of telling a square equal to a, you can also tell like this. A power n is a for all n greater than equal to 2. N equal to 2 also, 3 also, 4 also.
Sir,
Yes, please.
for all n greater than or equal to 2 means like max power is only 2, sir, a square only.
No, least power, not maximum power.
Least
Because a power 1 is anyway a, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, a power is like for when a power n is equal to a, they mean the whole determinant, sir.
No, it's matrix.
Yes, sir, sorry, sir. Whole matrix, sir.
Yeah, that means you
Okay.
really find a cube, it will come a power 4 will. Actually, they don't have to define a square equal to a definition is sufficient, because if a square
Okay.
equal to a, multiply the a on both sides, you will get a cube equal to a square, which is a, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, please.
Once you told that if we consider for 3 examples, we cannot consider for n types of examples. Sure.
Yeah, so I'm not proving for n. This is an example. Somebody says, tell me 1 or 2 matrices which are really idempotent. Okay. There are hundreds of matrices. When you square them, you'll get same matrix. All of them are called idempotent matrices. Is it okay? We are not proving anything here.
Okay, sir.
I am okay. Are you talking about if a square is a? How can I prove a cube equal to a? Are you talking about that? Kasi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you talking about how to prove a cube equal to a?
Yes, sir.
Oh, multiply the a on both sides. What will come? A cube is equal to a square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But what is a square? A, na?
A.
So have I proved a cube equal to a with an example or for everything?
Everything.
Yeah. Again, multiply the a on both sides. You will get a power 4 is equal to a square. And that is a again. So a power 4 is also a. If a square is equal to a, for sure a cube is a power 4 is a power n is a. Okay. Now, let us see if somebody can answer. If you take an idempotent matrix, can the determinant of that matrix be 5?
Determinant of it is?
Can it be 5, number 5? You can take 2 by 2 order, 3 by 2 order, 5 by 5, I don't care, any order. Can the determinant of that matrix be number 5?
Sir, I think no, sir.
What it can be? Anybody want to tell? If you take an idempotent matrix, what is its determinant can be?
Even number?
Any even number, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes.
Let us see, anybody want to comment anything else? I'll stop in another 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, will not extend too much.
Sir,
Sorry, that is 0.
Not sure about it.
Once.
Sir, I think it will be 0 only.
Only 0.
Always once.
I think
Yes.
always zeros.
5. That's
Yes, Ravia, what you want to say? Okay. Anybody want to? You said you think it's okay, but anybody want to give a solid proof? It has to be these numbers only with the proof. Anybody want to give an explanation?
So with 2 examples, is it okay?
You want to? What if I can create some more examples? So I want without examples. Yeah, with examples, of course. As I said already, 1 0 0 and 1 0 0 1. This set is 0. This set is 1. Maybe the 3 by 3 matrix, they gave one example in the text material. You can, maybe I don't know what is the date, you'll get something. Okay. What if we could not think of some? So theoretically, anybody want to tell me, if a square equal to a, what are the different possible values of det?
Sir, that of a square will be that of a, sir.
Okay, after that? After that?
Then it can be any value, no, sir. That of
No.
a square equals to that of a.
No, it can be only 0 or 1. You are right there. Then one step before. You apply that on both sides. Det
Yes.
of a square is det a. Put the square up. Det a whole square equal to det a. These are numbers only. Take it common. You will get det a whole square minus det a 0. Take det a common. You will get det a minus 1 equal to 0. That means what? Det a is 0 or 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So for a what you call idempotent matrix, determinant has to be 0 or 1. Okay. It cannot be minus 1, it cannot be 5, it cannot be 2, it cannot be minus 1 by 2, anything. It has to be 0 or 1. But reverse is not correct. It's not that if that is 0, definitely a square equal to a, need not be. It's not that if that is 1, definitely a square equal to a, need not be. For example, you take 5, 0, 0. What is the determinant of this matrix?
0.
0. But doesn't mean square of this equal to itself, na?
No, sir.
So if something is idempotent, definitely that has to be 0 or 1. But converse is not true. That if that is 0 or 1, definitely square has to be itself, need not be. Okay, so this is the reason I want to talk about the determinants also. That's why I did not talk about these types of matrices before. Okay, what is periodic matrix? Maybe better I'll explain on the board. This one. Okay, with periodic matrix, I'll stop it, and rest of the types of matrices tomorrow I'll do. Okay, let us say there is a matrix A. I found a square, I found a cube, I found a power 4, I found a power 5, like that. A square I got, A is some matrix, a square is some other matrix, a cube is some other matrix. But let us say a power 4 came A itself somehow. It is quite possible. A power 4 came A. If a power 4 is A, can you tell me what is a power 5 will be?
Sir, some other matrix. Or a square. A square.
A square, sir.
And a power 6 will be?
A cube.
A cube.
A power 7 will be?
A to the power 4.
A power 4 again it is A, na?
A.
Yeah. And a power 8 will be a square.
A
And
square.
a power 9 will be
A power 9 will be A cube.
A cube.
a power 10 will be a power 4, which is again A.
A.
Sir, one
See,
second explain.
let us say matrix A is one thing. When I found a square, it is some other matrix.
Yes, sir.
When I found a cube, it is some other matrix. When I found a power 4, I got the original matrix.
Yes, sir.
Others have to mute yourself, except Ganesh. Obviously, mute yourself. Okay. A power 4 is A, and
Yes,
a
sir.
power 5 will be A square because multiplies A on both sides, you get this.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
multiplies A, will get this. This is different from this, this is different from this.
Yes,
But
sir.
a power 7 is again A because when you multiply this, you get a power 4 and a power 4 is A.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So now when you look at these answers, what I got? That means when I'm finding A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5, A power 6, A power 7, A power 8, A power 9, till 1000, 1 lakh doesn't matter. I'll only get 3 answers. A square, A cube. Again A square, A cube. Again A square, A cube. Or you see same 3 are coming repeatedly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many are repeating?
3.
3 are repeating.
So we say it is a periodic matrix. Please mute yourself some noise. Okay. So it is a periodic matrix where every 3 is coming repeated. So how many they are repeating? That is called period. So whenever A square is not A cube is not A, but A power 4 equal to A, then it is a periodic matrix of order 3. Even though power 4 here, I should say order 3 because and three things are repeating. Is it clear?
Sir, a doubt.
Yes, please.
If it has an order of 1, then can it be a periodic matrix?
Order 1.
A square equal to A.
Yeah, A square equal to A is also idempotent matrix, is also periodic matrix with order 1. You are right. Okay. So idempotent matrix is a subset of periodic matrix. Okay. Let us say some other matrix, A square did not come A cube also did not come A power 4 also did not come A power 5 also did not come A, but A power 6 came A. Then what happens? A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5, all these are different only. A power 6 will come A and A power 7 will come what?
A square.
A square. And A power 8 will come A cube. A power 9 will be A power 4. A power 10 will be A power 5. A power 11 will be
A.
A power 6, but it will be A again. So can I say now based on this, after every 5 it repeats, it's a periodic matrix of period 5?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the definition. That is, if A power n plus 1 equal to A and n is the smallest smallest natural number satisfying this, okay, then we say it is a periodic matrix of order n. Okay, but here n plus 1, as I said, if A power 4 is A, it is not repeating after 4 intervals, it is repeating after 3 intervals. Similarly, if A power 6 is A, it is repeating after 5 intervals. Like that, when A power n plus 1 is A, it is repeating after n. So it is a periodic matrix of order n. And idempotent matrix is also periodic matrix. Yes, Shishidhar, what is it?
Is n a natural number, sir?
N should be natural number, not a negative number, not a whole number, only natural number. Okay. Now, if I take A square equal to A and A power 4 equal to A and A power 6 equal to A power 8 equal to A. These are all different things. And A cube equal to A separate, A power 5 equal to A power 7 equal to A. These are all different. Okay. This is a periodic matrix with the order 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is a periodic matrix with order 4. This is a periodic matrix with order 6. This is periodic matrix with order 1, order 3, order 5, order 7. Okay. If we take either this or this or this, any one of them, what the determinant of that matrix can be?
Yes.
Det of
That A can be how much? 0, 1, 5, minus 1, which one?
N or 0, sir?
If you take all these things, apply that, you may get that A whole cube equal to that A power equal to that A. If you take that A common, you will get that A into that A whole square minus 1 equal to 0. Or that A into that A power 4 minus 1 equal to 0.
Sir,
So
minus 1, 0, 1.
yes, if it is of any one of these, that means that period n is even number. Then that A can be 0, 1, minus 1. But if you take any one of these, it can be only 0 or 1. It cannot be minus 1 because, for example, if you apply that A whole power 4 equal to that A. 0
Sir,
okay,
so-
1 okay, minus 1 is not okay.
Sir, so if n is positive, it is like it is odd, it is negative, minus 1 and 0, and even is 1 and 0.
Yeah, it is not about the power, I'm talking about order. If it is power 3, order 2. So if order is even, that can be 0, 1, minus 1. If order is odd, that can be either 0 or 1 only. Right?
Sir, you said reverse, sir.
No. When it is 3, 5, 7, power is odd. But what
Okay,
the order
okay,
of
sir.
that?
Okay, sir.
This is order 2, this is order 4, this is order 6. At that time I'm talking about. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, we'll stop here. Tomorrow morning I'll continue about other types of matrices. Those who
Sure.
completed exercise 3D and mains even numbers, you should try now that adjoint based questions in mains even numbers and exercise 3. Yes, please.
Sir, once again, you can say the statement about the n is order
Yeah,
of
tomorrow I'll repeat again. Okay, periodic matrix. Okay. All right. Thank you.